Hi everyone, this is Mark with RBA Photobooth. So today I'm going to show a product demo on how to set up your ring light or what are the settings that you guys need for your camera. Going to open my Darkroom Booth software. So in this case, I'm just going to use the trial version of the Darkroom. Alright, under the settings, go look for the camera. So now we're here in the camera section. So as you guys can see, I'm connected to my camera. I'm using the Canon Rebel T6. So you guys always want to make sure that you guys have your camera on manual mode. So we can pick the aperture, adjust the shutter speed, pick an ISO settings, and we can manipulate the camera settings on our own. So what we're going to do is we're going to have the AV set into 9, the TV set into 125. So those are like the normal settings for the aperture and then the time value. And as for the ISO settings on digital cameras typically range from 100 to 6400. So, meaning to say, the higher ISO setting allow more light into the camera and they allow the user to shot in low light situation. So that basically means that if you guys are in a dark room or in a dark place, you guys basically need a higher ISO. So it depends on how dark is the location is. So you can do max the ISO into 6400. So it just basically depends on how dark the location is. So the reason why we have our ISO in 200, so I have normal lightings in my room right now where I set it up like my photo booth. So I'm just using 200 for that. So that's basically what you guys need, or like the settings that you guys need to do for your camera. And moving forward, we're going to go to the live view. Under this section, guys, as you guys can see, the external flash compensation, right? So this has something to do with your ring light. So some people like they're telling me like, when I'm printing the photo, it looks perfectly fine, but like when I'm printing it out, like it is coming out dark. It's because the reason why it's coming out dark is because like they don't have, or they don't check the external flash compensation, and this has something to do, or this helps the quality, or like to give more light to the photo that you are, or you guys are printing. So you guys have to make sure that you guys always check the, or check the box for the external flash compensation that I'm in right now. So I think that's everything that I need to share for the camera settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take 3 photos, 2 more. Alright, so there you go. I'm just going to exit this one. So as you guys can see, I have better quality of the photo, and I just adjust the settings based on the, like the exposure, the lightings that I have. So you guys can check the photo under the photo section, and you can check it one by one. So like you see, everything is like perfectly fine. So I think that's pretty much it, like for the camera settings, and then for the external flash compensation for your ring light. So again, guys, thank you for watching the tutorials on how to do the settings, or like what are the basic settings that you guys need for your darkroom software. Again, my name is Mark, and please don't forget to visit our website at www.rbaphotobots.com. Again, it's www.rbaphotobots.com. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.